Good afternoon, YouTube friends. This is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. So I've got some neighbors, and they just built a barn, and they got a bunch of animals in there, and they're not off-grid, but they did call me up the other day, and they wanted me to go over and feed their animals for them. So I did. I went over and fed their animals, and I really enjoyed myself over there. So I'm going to head back over there in a few minutes, and I'll show you their animals. They're pretty cool. They've got, oh boy, they've got a, what's it called, an alpaca. And I guess when it feels threatened, then it'll spit at you. Now, the other day when I went and fed it, you can see it was trying to pull away from me. But I don't think it felt threatened because it didn't try to spit on me. And also they've got a cat over there that's got 6 toes. So I'll introduce you to the cat and the alpaca. I don't know if that's how you say it or not. But I figured I'd make this video because it's a little bit of nature, I guess. And it's really a cool little animal. So I'm going to head over there in a couple minutes, take a look, and you can follow along. This is my cat, Clara. Right, Clara? She doesn't like me a lot. She likes my wife more than me. But whenever my wife goes away, then she ends up liking me. But when she comes back, she doesn't like me anymore. She doesn't come to me. I have to go get her. I have to go grab her, but she won't come to me. And she just, right now, she just wants to get away. As soon as I let go of her, she'll just run. Okay, Claire, you ready to go? Okay, I'm gonna let go of you now. Gone. Anyways, follow along, and we'll talk to you in a bit. Good boy. All the animals are all gone. They're all out in the yard somewhere. Hi guys. This is the guy I want to see right here. You are a cutie. You are a cutie. You guys are cute too. Well, the horses are outside. The mule's outside. Hi guys. How are you guys doing? Hey, how are you guys doing? These cats are strays. They were over at my place recently. But now they have a nice warm barn to live in. Get down. Get down. Now this is a cat I like. This guy here has got 6 toes. What about you? How many toes have you got? I think you have 5. This guy's got 6. This guy's got 6, don't you? Let me see your leg again. Let me see your leg. Yeah, 6 toes. At least 6. You have more than 6? I don't know. Boy, let's go. Corn. A little bit of corn for this guy. I don't want to feed you guys. Look at this guy some food. You good? Yeah, that's all you get. That's all you get. You're a noisy one. Yeah, you're a little noisy one. Hey. Will you let me pet you? Will you let me pet you? No. You guys will, though. You guys will let me pet you. You are a cute one, though. Yeah, you are a cute one. Where's the pigs go? Where's the... Oh, there they are. Oh, there we go. Little pigs. Staying nice and warm. And who's that, mommy pig? Yeah, mommy pig. Looks like you got an itchy back over there. So I'd like to get some chickens. But you gotta be always with them, I suppose. You can't take off because they need to be fed, and they need fresh water. So we'll see. See what happens down the road. Yeah, so it's too bad the mule's not in here and the horses aren't in here. But, oh well. My neighbor has, I guess it's like a little petting zoo. He's got alpacas. Actually, one alpaca. He's got goats. He's got pigs. Chickens. He's got a turkey. A mule. Some horses. A little bit of everything over there. A cat. A bunch of cats. So, the alpaca is what I found fascinating. An alpaca is almost like a little, it's in the mule family. No, sorry. It's in the camel family. It's almost like a camel. And people will load stuff on and treat it the same way they would treat a camel, I suppose. Alpacas live to be 15 to 20 years old. Once in a while, they'll live to be up to 28 years old. An alpaca, when they want to show dominance, they'll start to make this growling sound in their throat, and then they'll spit. So, yeah, it's kind of a different way of showing their dominance. The other thing I found fascinating over at his place is he's got the cats with 6 toes. And you might say, why would a cat have 6 toes? Well, they're wild cats. They're barn cats, basically. And sometimes they inbreed. And that's what happens. If you Google it, you'll see that it's probably not as uncommon as what you might think it is. So, yeah. Just sort of, I figured I'd go for a little walk and take a look at his barn. Take a look at his animals. You know, give his animals a little bit of feed. And, yeah. So I thought it'd be interesting. He just built that barn this year, and it's nice and warm in there, and the animals are friendly. I was kind of disappointed that the horses weren't there, and he's got a mule that wasn't there. It was out in the field, out in pasture. But anyways, that's my excitement for the day. So have a great day. We'll talk to you next video. Bye.